Hey everybody, I'm Bill Lees with William Lees Waterproofing Consultants LLC. Welcome back to another of our video series. I was out at a job yesterday and I was having a discussion with a contractor who has got a complaint disclosure against him, or a complaint going rather, I should say, with the Contractors State License Board, and we were discussing um, how we should approach it. So my recollection, going back to a job that I did in investigation, inspection, expert witness work for a client in Morro Bay some years ago, takes us back to a contractor who decided to fight the CSLB all the way for years and resulted in a complaint disclosure showing up on his license. And it's not a great story. Uh, the contractor screwed up. He took too much money from the deposit, failed to complete the job for the money that he said that he would do it. There were several other complaints there. Actually, we can see them here if I step aside. These are the things that he was found to have violated under CSLB law. And so, anyhow, what ended up happening is he got cited in 2014. You can see it up here, right up here on this side, on the left side of me. And um, the case did not close until 2019. He fought it for 4 years legally, using an attorney, trying to get the charges quashed, and he never did. He got several taken off, but the CSLB kept pursuing him. They are tough to deal with. They have the Attorney General's office who acts on their behalf as their legal representation. They have investigators. They have expert witnesses that they send out. When they get on a contractor's tail for violations of the consumer laws relating to contracting, they can be bulldogs. And so, if you are found to have violated CSLB laws, business and profession laws, you get a complaint disclosure on your license. That complaint disclosure lasts for 7 years from the time the case closes. So, in this case, the case was opened in 2014. A complaint disclosure went on this contractor's license then. It is now 2025, and he still has his complaint disclosure showing up. It's not going to disappear for about another year. Why? Because once the case closes, then the clock starts ticking on the 7-year time frame. So it behooves a contractor to settle as quickly as they can and get it done and just start the 7-year clock. Up above here, there's a contractor that has a complaint disclosure against him. It started in February and it was finished 6 months later, 7 months later. So his clock started ticking right away, and no real big delays. They tried to get it off their license, but they didn't, and they just settled the case and moved ahead so that they could get it off sooner. So if you're a contractor looking at CSLB disciplinary action, your best thing to do is to cooperate fully with them. Agree to reimburse the client. You can maybe avoid a complaint disclosure if you agree to make restitution, go into a payment plan, and also keep up on those payment plans. So it's to your best interest to settle earlier, because the longer it goes, the more it's going to cost you. Anyhow, the moral of the story is don't screw up on your contracting. You'll get in trouble. Clients, customers can complain to the Contractor State License Board about you, initiate a complaint, and the CSLB will investigate. They will first give you an opportunity to settle with the customer before they get legally involved. But once they get legally involved, you got CSLB on your butt and you got a problem. So if you do get that letter from CSLB saying contact the customer and make arrangements to fix it, that's your opportunity to avoid any of these problems. So when you're contracting, make these decisions wisely. Stay safe out there, everybody. If you do have a problem with the contractor, folks, let us know. We can help you with investigating potential defects that they may have installed on your building relating to waterproofing. And we're not legal representatives, but we can point you to some legal help and help you get recovery on damages that you may be suffering from a bad contractor. My name is Bill Lees. Give me a call directly at 805-801-2380 to discuss your building envelope problems and how we might be able to help. Thanks very much.